Hello everyone, I'm Ms.Kiki, your fun-time conversational Korean tutor. Today is day 2, Mumchi out of Chi series. Let's get started. Kiki, are you dancing again? You said you were gonna lose some weight dancing earlier. No, I'm stretching now. How come is your stretching exactly the same as dancing? Excuse me? Now you're saying I'm mumchi? As I explained last time, when you're not good at something or you don't have talent doing that at all, you add chi at the end. In this case, Ken says Chi can dance to save her life, right? You call it 몸치. 몸 means body, so you add chi at the end. Don't forget that we don't call this 춤치, but 몸치. Listen carefully and repeat this expression together. 몸치, 몸치, 몸치. 나 몸치야. 나 몸치야. 너 몸치야? 너 몸치야? Good job. Now, let's use this expression in real-life examples. So, are you stretching or dancing? I know. 나도 알아. 내가 몸치인 거. Today, you learned the word 몸치. Don't miss the other Chi series in the next videos. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Miss Kiki's channel so we can meet every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks for watching. Bye!